Hello, this is Brett from Elliott Wave, and today we're going to take a look at gold. Yeah, let's dive into it. So today we're above $3,000. Oh, by the way, before we get started, actually, remember, can we? So I'm seeing new subs every day. Thank you very much for joining us. Joining me. Joining the people of Elliott Wave. Please, people, let's get to 2,800 subs by the end of March. So we got about a week. Can we get about 30 more subs in a week? I believe in you. Just if you enjoy the content, just if you want to show your support, leave a like, subscribe. It really helps. So gold. So with gold, long story short, it's moving as expected. Now, as you can see, the count is a bit messy. I'm gonna link you to last week's video where I went over a bit of different counts. Without wasting too much time, and today we're just going to focus on the intraday. Okay, so I probably should have hidden this, but you guys know me, I'm very lazy and disorganized, but after all, we're here and it's all free, so it's a win-win, right? You suffer a bit, and but you get free content. And apparently, if you look at last week's video, the content is also pretty decent because this forecast was successful. Gold has been trading pretty well because I pretty much was straight on point. Ever since, I've been pretty much correct ever since December. So, but could be luck. Who knows? Might be luck. Anyways, so we're on the 4 hour, as you probably saw. As usual, I need to remember how to breathe. I know how to breathe. I just don't remember to breathe. So, as you can see, I was expecting this, which happened. Apparently, it's pretty good. W for Barrett. Okay, so. Now we seem to be into this wave forward. Now, what is very interesting, I'll take you to the hourly, so it's even, okay, awesome. So what is very interesting is, oopsie, this is a three-wave move. Why should we care? Well, if you're saying we are entering a correction and the initial move down is a three-wave move, that gives us additional confidence in our account. Okay, if this was a 5-wave move, then yes, it could have been still a wave 4, right? Because it could have been some sort of a zigzag. Now, probably not this large, but you get the point. But given the fact it's a 3-wave move, we know it's going to be corrective in nature, meaning that if it's a 3-wave move to the downside, it's bullish corrective, meaning that we will break this high sooner or later, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe next week. I don't know. It sounds a bit like a motivational video, but it's the truth. Same thing here, right? You see how this, was this 3-wave move. Okay, 3 waves a trend don't make. Now, so that's one thing I want to say. Now, if we draw the channel, we could be close to a bottom in 4. I can see that. Now, what type of correction is it going to be? Well, definitely at least a flat, because 3 down, 3 up. Might turn out to be a triangle. I don't know. We'll see. Definitely, I don't want to see it going too deep. Okay. I was about to say something, but I better keep my mouth shut. Otherwise, I get banned from YouTube. So I'll say not deeper. Sorry, people. Not deeper than this, okay? What else? Yeah, again, I could label stuff. I could label this ABC, but then I don't know what type of correction we get. So as I said, could be a flat, could be a triangle, could be a complex. I don't know. We'll see. But it does look corrective. Now, a very important thing is that no matter what, we keep trading above 3,000. As you know, I always stress on these. 3,000 is a very important number. 3 is a Fibonacci number. 3,000 is a psychological level. It's a whole number. And large numbers will attract large orders. We're seeing it. Now, what I mean is, let's say we just dive a bit below it. What I want to see is, I want to see buyers entering the market, okay? So I want to see basically orders at 3,000. Now, another thing let's point out. What I'm saying is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 3, okay? So I'm basically suggesting that. Could this be 1 degree lower? So something like this. And then could we be topping in a minuet wave 1 here? I mean, the answer to could is yes. Will we? I have no idea. One thing I like to do, and this is personally my way to operate, okay? So you do you, I do me. What I do is I usually, if I have 2 counts, I tend to stick to the more conservative, right? Because then if I'm wrong, then let's say I'm wrong and it's actually more bullish, I'm wrong in a good way, okay? If I'm on the right, as long as I identify the right side of the market, this in this case is up, so it's bullish. I like to be more conservative. If I'm wrong, but in a good way, if it makes sense, right? But I do you. I mean, I do me, you do you. But that's what I like to do. So it could be wave 1, yes. Now let's assume I'm wrong. Right? It's fantasy. It's sci-fi. It's fiction. I'm just kidding, people. I'm wrong sometimes. I'm a human too. So if I'm wrong, then too much noise. Sorry, too many waves. Then if I'm wrong, what I'm thinking is, as we are forecasting wave 5, what if we get some sort of 1, 2, 3, 4 ending diagonal basically? But for an ending diagonal, if this is 2, then wave 4 should be shorter than 2, okay? And we need overlap, so it would have to be like this, maybe something like this, okay? So we will need to get into this territory down here. So if we, let me zoom in a bit. So if we were to continue lower, I would like to enter this territory, keep this wave 4 shorter than this wave 2, okay? Upside for 5. Now, a subdivision for an ending diagonal, probably said this oftentimes here, it's a 3, 3, 3, 3. So wave 1 is a 3-wave move, wave 2 is a 3-wave move, obviously. Wave 3 is a 3-wave move, wave 4 is a 3-wave move. So if we get 3 here, and 3 goes here, this wave 3, for the diagonal, too much confusion, sorry. You guys are right, I can't explain stuff. Okay. So if 3 goes here, 4 goes here, 5 goes here, and 5 goes here for the diagonal, then this is a 3-wave move, 3-wave move, 3-wave move, 3-wave move, 3-wave move, okay? That's a subdivision for an ending diagonal. So the fact we have 3 here, it's fine because it's an ending diagonal. So let's keep that in mind. I think it's still possible, so I would not discount that possibility. Many times when things are too good to be true, they usually are. So the fact that I'm being right so many times here with gold probably mean I'm wrong. I'm gonna be wrong. I don't know. It depends. Okay, I think I said all I had to say. Any questions, you can let me know in the comments. You can always join the Discord, absolutely free. Just beware scammers. And thank you for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Have a great Tuesday, everyone.